Greetings, tech enthusiasts and DIYers. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we uncover the latest and greatest in the world of technology. I'm your host, and today, we've got something that's going to turbocharge your computer's performance. The Crucial MX500 1TB 3D NAND SATA Internal SSD. If you're tired of waiting for your computer to catch up with you, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Before we dive into it, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss our tech reviews. Let's jump in. Imagine a world where you don't have to twiddle your thumbs while your computer boots up. The Crucial MX500 SSD brings you there with sequential reads and writes of up to 560/500 of a megabyte per second, and random reads and writes of up to 95K, 90K. That means your system starts in seconds, files load almost instantly, and even the most demanding applications run smoothly. What makes all this speed possible? It's the magic of Micron 3D NAND technology. This SSD is powered by cutting-edge components designed from the ground up for efficiency. It not only performs like a champ but also uses minimal power, keeping your system cooler and quieter. No need for a financing plan to enjoy the benefits of a faster, more efficient computer. Are you tired of juggling files, deleting old photos, or worrying about running out of space? With the Crucial MX500, you can store up to a whopping 4 terabytes of data. That's massive amounts of photos, music, videos, and important documents, all at your fingertips. It's like having your digital life in one place, ready to be accessed at the speed of your life. Now, let's talk reliability. The Crucial MX500 isn't just fast, it's dependable. Backed by thousands of hours of pre-release validation and dozens of qualification tests. This SSD has been tried, tested, and proven to be a reliable companion for your digital life. Worried about installing an SSD? Don't be. We've got you covered with a step-by-step Crucial SSD install guide. It's designed to make installation easy and hassle-free. Trust me, you'll wonder why you didn't make the switch to SSD sooner. Here's the kicker: Micron quality. Crucial's unique integration with Micron means that every memory and storage component is designed, tested, and refined at every stage of the production process. You're not just getting an SSD, you're getting Micron-level quality. In conclusion, the Crucial MX500 1TB 3D NAND SATA Internal SSD is a game-changer. For anyone looking to supercharge their computer's performance, store loads of data, and enjoy the reliability of a proven brand. Whether you're a tech pro or a first-time installer, this SSD is worth every penny. If you found this review helpful or if you're already enjoying the benefits of the Crucial MX500, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And, of course, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on amazing tech products like this one. Until next time, stay speedy, stay reliable, and stay tuned for more fantastic product reviews.